This is Gaggle, and I have invited you to Gaggle Amp, which is the site, the times 10 Gaggle Amp, and our members are called Gaggle members, group of people. So here are our members so far. I've invited everyone at times 10 to join. This is free to join. You just sign up and you're in. And what you can do, if you go over to member view, these are posts that people have shared or we have gone out and gotten, and I have put them in here to be reshared or retweeted or liked or something with your social channels. When you sign up, you plug in your channels. You plug in your Twitter, your Facebook, your LinkedIn if you have those, whatever you have. And then you're ready to go. And this is super, super simple. So now here you see a stream of things that you can share. And the nice thing is you can decide, what do I want to share? Is this something that would work on my feeds? So this is just a tweet from one of our authors. And the instruction here is to retweet it. So you just click retweet. Now these points you can ignore for right now. There's a way to do contests on here. We might experiment with that. But right now we just want to share content. We want people coming in and seeing our stuff. We're building our brand, getting more people to our site, more people to your sites, more people to buy our books. Here's another one, share on Twitter. You can schedule these. This is a webinar from Jim Sturdivant. It's marvelous. The instruction says invite people to this free webinar. So you can type a message in on your tweet, whatever. You can be creative with it. And then you can schedule that to go out. And you can schedule a lot of things if it's on Twitter so that you're not bombarding your audience. Here's share on LinkedIn. Another retweet. Just click retweet. You can say no thanks. You can say I don't want to do that. I'm going to say no to that one. That's fine. And then if you want, you could do this. You can tell us why. You can come in here and you can say, I didn't think that worked for my feed, or it was too commercial, or whatever. That'll help us. So here's what it looks like. Really easy to use, and it's great for us at times 10 because it's amplifying our message. I'm going to show you the free Gaggle Amp app, which I hope you'll get.
This is the Gaggle app that you can download for free. And I just want to show you, how nice this is. And then you can get notifications when there's new content in here and all that. So, you would log in as you have to our platform. Here's the content that's ready to go. And it's, this is share on LinkedIn. No thanks, or yes, I'd like to do that. Here's just a retweet of content from one of our authors. Again, here's share in a tweet. So you would be sharing on Twitter. So, if I click on this, it's going to put me in a tweet. I can type something else in there and tweet it out, and it'll look like this image here.
So that was a quick look at the mobile app, but I wanted you to see the impact of Gaggle. So right now we just have 6 people, and you're invited. So if you're not one of these 6, jump in here, give it a try. These people have connected their social accounts, and we're reaching, with any post now, we can reach 416,000 people if all the members share it, retweet it, whatever. And that's really amazing. We've already had 35 clicks. We've been using this for a couple of days. So you think about this. This is really powerful because it gives us the ability to spend less on places like Facebook and Google ads because we're doing it organically. Plus, more people are going to be engaged with your sharing than they would a Facebook ad. And if we can save that money, we can put it into other important events and things that amplify times 10 and you and our work. So I just wanted you to see that. This is great. So here, some of the things that have happened, the activities, 3 posted, 20 clicks here on this post. That gets people, that's 20 people that went to the times 10 site, read this article, hopefully, and who knows, maybe bought a book, maybe your book, because they then clicked over to books and saw something that they liked there. So this is what we're after. 6 people, this reach, 35 clicks and just a few posts. Imagine what's going to happen when we have 20, 30, 40 people doing this. We're going to grow, you're going to grow, and that's the goal. I hope you will jump into Gaggle today and give it a shot. Grab the app, start sharing content, including your own. Thanks.